Hey everyone, Natalie here from SERPWizz, and before we get started on our topic for today, I just want to give you an idea about our lead generation tool over at SERPWizz.com. So as you can see right now on my screen, I have the SERPWizz landing page loaded up, and also this lead generation tool gives you white label audits for your or on your website. And if you're interested in knowing what that does for you or what that can do for you, then feel free to go over to SERPWizz.com, and we have there our free guide showing you how SERPWizz is generating agencies an additional $3,437 per month on autopilot. So if you're interested in knowing and finding out that how that works, do head on over to SERPWizz.com, enter your first name and email, and then hit that find out how button. So with that being said, let's head on over to our main topic for today, which is still all about SE ranking. However, for today, with that lead generation tool from SERPWizz being mentioned, I also want to mention this tool from SE ranking, which is a lead generator tool. Let me bring that up. So I found it here while I was exploring the page. So as you can see here, the main tools that SE ranking offers, and at the bottom part there's a lead generator tool, and if you click or expand that list, you have these three bullet points, which is for leads, widget, and settings. So I'm just gonna go on over and click the leads bullet point. So sorry for my voice. I have a cold, that's why my voice is like this right now. But yeah, basically this is what the lead generator tool is all about. So but what exactly does this do, if you may ask? So this lead generation tool is the one responsible for bringing over the different leads that you have or may gather on your website. So for example, if for SERPWizz, right, here is that part where you are getting the lead generator tool or using the lead generator tool. And as you can see here, there are different kinds of widget as well available. You may just click on this go to widget section so you can set that up. And the tool in charge here as well is the on-page SEO checker. So this is a collaboration between the lead generator tool and the on-page SEO checker. So what you're gonna see is so this is where you set it up. Select the widget style if you want it as a button, if you want it as a web form, or a push notification, or a pop-up. So if it is a push notification, it's gonna be right above here. So you may see those websites where you get call to actions right over here on this part, or you get buttons, or you get pop-up banners, if you call it that. And then also you can set up the widget. If for example you want a button, so this is how you can customize it so that it would look perfect on your website according to how you want it customized. Web form, this is where you can edit it. The widget HTML code is the code that you're gonna put in to your main code so that you can incorporate this widget on your website. So if you're ready to if you have made all the changes that you want, then of course you can click save changes, and that will complete the task for you. So this is an amazing tool or feature that you can use, especially when you want to encourage or attract more leads into your services and products. So definitely utilize this one if ever you're using SE ranking. Remember, you can access it by going to one of these core tools right here, and then just scroll down to the bottom most part, and you can see the lead generator tool rather. So that is it for me today. Just wanted to give you an idea of what this is all about and what it can do. And of course, please do like this video and comment down any takeaways that you have. Subscribe to our channel, of course, and don't forget to head on over to SERPWizz.com to check the lead generation tool that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next one.